Today we are going to install an extra auxiliary lamp in front of the vehicle for extra lighting. This is the light and the clamps and some of the screws that came with the light. First we are going to install this bracket on the screw of front number plate. Clamp just got installed. You have to open this bolt from the number plate, put this bracket in place and then again tighten the bolt. Now I have to take the light we have to place this notch in this slot. Need both hands. Excuse me for a second. Yes, installed both of the screws and bolts. Set this light in your desired position, then tighten these screws. Light secured. Pass this wire through the grill. And connect it with your fog lamps, or if you desire, put a new wiring or a switch inside the car just for these lights. Connect all the wires, and this is the final result. Smashing.